Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, facial serum. What does a facial serum really do to the skin? The facial serum helps to repair the skin. It is like the product that you use on the skin that will take care of all the minor issues, such as boosting the collagen production, reducing the wrinkles and fine lines, giving the skin a natural glow. Also help with cellular skin turnover. A facial serum helps to rejuvenate the skin and help your skin to look younger, healthier, and fresher. Now, there are wide varieties of facial serum that you can find on the market to buy. You have some really good, effective facial serum out there. But if you are all fun and game and you want to try to make a serum for yourself, I'm going to show you today how you can make an homemade facial serum. This serum that I'm going to share with you is rich in antioxidant vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3. It also contains a bit of a lactic acid. So if you want to try to make your own facial serum, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe, and at the end I'll share a live demonstration showing you how best to use the serum on your skin. I'm going to use some carrots. Today I'm using a small carrot. Now we're using the carrot for its anti-aging properties. It will help to boost the collagen in the skin. It will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Carrot is also rich in skin firming properties. So what I'm going to do with the carrot, I'm going to wash thoroughly. You can choose to scrape, wash, or you can even peel the carrot. However, the peel of the carrot contain more of the antioxidant properties. What I'm going to do with this carrot, I am going to be blending. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you could grate the carrot, since all we're doing is extracting the carrot juice. So place your chopped carrot in the blender, and before we blend, we're going to add one ingredient to this. And take a look. Here we have some rose water. Rose water is hydrating to the skin, and it also helps to balance the pH of the skin. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of the rose water. Pour this in the blender with the carrot. And we're going to cover and we are going to blend. Now blend away. Now once this is done, we are going to strain to extract the carrot juice. So reach for a strainer or a cheesecloth and strain. After straining, take a look. Here we have our fresh carrot juice. Now what we're going to do, we are going to pour the strained carrot juice back in the blender, and I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the carrot juice. Pour this in, and now let's move on. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some powdered milk. We're using the powdered milk for its lactic acid. You can use powdered milk, fresh milk, soy milk for this recipe. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the powdered milk, and we're going to pour this in the blender. And we are going to blend. Blend for about 2 to 3 minutes. And once this is done, we are going to pour in a small bowl. So reach for your small bowl. So let's pour. And then we are going to move on to my next ingredient. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some aloe vera gel. This is the store-bought aloe vera gel. However, for this recipe, you can choose to use the fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is hydrating, have the clear pigmentation on the skin, smooth the skin, good for sunburn. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. If you're using the fresh one, go ahead and use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to blend this in the mixture. Do not add the aloe vera gel in the blender. Add it at the end like I'm showing here. So thoroughly dissolve the aloe vera gel in our carrot milk mixture. Mix well. And now we have one final ingredient, which I'm going to use as a preservative. This is vegetable glycerine. And we're using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. Pour this in. Vegetable glycerine will help to keep bacteria out of your homemade DIY, but it also contains hydrating properties which will help to soften the skin. So mix and mix well. Now once we're done, I'm going to reach for a small container. Today I'm going to use a small jar. However, use whatever container you have. The most important thing is to make sure that it is sterilized. Now once we pour, then the mixture is now ready to use on the skin. You can however choose to chill this before you use it and store this in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. So now let's move on to the demonstration. So to use this, you want to apply it on your skin. Take a small amount, apply it on the skin, the face, the neck, and the décolleté. And you want to massage this on the skin. Massage on the skin for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once this is done, the product is going to dry on the skin. Let it dry on the skin, sleep with it, wake up the next day with fresher, younger looking skin. Get your skin to look at least 10 years younger in no time. Use every night for best result. When this is done, go ahead and make a new batch. Skin. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always welcome. So comment, comment, comment. And if this was your first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So hit that subscribe button below and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.